Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. First, you will have to remove the front panel. There are 8 clips that secure the front panel. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the clips. Remove the rest of the clips the same way. Remove the panel. This particular model has 6 screws to loosen. Because the placement of the torque screws are difficult to reach, we recommend using an extender tool. Attach a T25 Torx head to the extender and remove the screws. To disconnect the sensor, pull it straight back. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the air hose clamp. Pull the air hose back to disengage it with the filter housing. Tuck it if needed. Lift the housing. Remove the old filter and clean out the excess debris in the housing. Install your new AF3083 filter into the housing. It can only be installed with the housing in one orientation. Replace the housing and align it so that it is flush with both the filter and the rest of the housing. Slide the air hose back onto the filter housing. Reinstall the sensor. Retighten the hose clamp. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the panel. Reinstall the clips. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.